How to record a Zoom meeting without host permission. Even though there is no recording permission from the host, you can still record Zoom meetings with third-party recording software without others knowing. In this video, we'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting as a participant using screen recorder software. Download free screen recorder ZEsoft. Please see video description for download link. Install and open the application. Select Record Webinar or Meeting. Choose Screen Capture Area Full or Custom Area. Now you can click Record to start recording without permission. You can pause, resume while recording Zoom. When you stop recording, you will be in the preview window by default. You can open the saved location here. Hope this helps you. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.